साले तू जानता नहीं है मेरा बाप कौन है?
It's complicated.
Myself, Nupur Murthy. I'm a reporter at Pulse.
क्यों बे? हाथ लगाएगा?
It's complicated.
तो फिर वो संग्राम निकला. The cops left us. But then I saw something really very fishy.
ये बंगाली लोग हर चीज में फिश को क्यों घुसेड़ देते हैं यार?
मेरा चुप. फिर क्या हुआ?
Thanks, Nupu. हाँ. So I was saying is that I see this Jay guy doing some kusur-fusur with that sub-inspector Patil. He gave him a CD thingy, guys. There's something highly suspicious about this Jay.
Listen, अपना ये ACP प्रद्युमन प्रोटोटाइप बंद करेगी प्लीज.
I know यार. जय and बॉबी हमारे friends हैं.
Jay is not my friend.
ऐसा मत बोल यार. वो कल पुलिस स्टेशन आया सिर्फ तेरे लिए.
Anyway, मुद्दे की बात ये है कि ये स्टोरी अगर लिखनी है तो फिक्शन में चाहिए. और फिक्शन के लिए हमारे पैनल के राइटर्स तो नहीं हो पाएगा गाइस, कुछ और सोचना पड़ेगा.
तो फिर पुलिस वुमेन के ऊपर राइट अप लिखते हैं यार.
पुलिस वुमन के ऊपर अगर राइट अप लिखेंगे तो मायरा को इंक्लूड करेंगे. और अगर मायरा को इंक्लूड करेंगे तो फिर वही कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी वगैरह वगैरह नहीं हो पाएगा यार.
So I'm hoping you guys are brainstorming on the basis of the new market research report that has been sent to you. Yeah? I need new fresh ideas. Waiting. What's that blank look? You haven't received the new market research report yet? Goodness, how difficult is it to put a report on an email and copy to everyone? Jennifer, in the conference room now. All of you in the conference room now.
So basically, as per the new Johnson's report, Pulse is being perceived as a very serious paper, and people like fun stuff.
Thank you, Jennifer. How I look at it is there is no immediate or drastic solution to this. It has to be a constant endeavor. So what we need to begin, when is Shivir coming?
He'll be in some time.
Fine, all right. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to shoot a 5-picture story around Myntra. And whatever stuff you need, Shivir is going to give that to you. And for you two, what I need you to do is come up with an appropriate way to conceptualize the whole thing. And don't give me just one idea. Come up with some more so that I have options to choose from. Okay, and I need you to click some good pictures. And I assume there are no questions, any doubts, nothing at all. Okay, then off you go. Work, work, work.
Good only na. Khamaka we were racking our brains for that article.
And I just have to click good pictures. Yeah, right.
अच्छे अच्छे पिक्चर्स लेना. हाँ, एकदम जूम कर करके काफी सारे पिक्चर्स.
हाँ यार. लेकिन I don't remember how many pictures Indira needed exactly. Shirsho, you know what? I've just had it with this place, yeah. I mean, people keep on changing their minds like they change their DPs. Like, how is one supposed to focus on work over here? How do you manage? Can you please tell me how many pictures Indira needed exactly?
What?
कहा that था?
हाँ, सारेगामापा भी.
Anyway, why do we need this Shivir character? We can easily manage on our own.
Hey, that's not up to me. It's clearly on Miss Indira's instruction. और वैसे भी अगर कोई काम नहीं है तो बिठा के रखो. At least you will have some help in picking up and sorting up some stuff, na?
Yeah, right. So, is he like a new trainee?
Yeah, actually, he is. There he is.
Hey, is he not the same guy with Indira that night?
You mean the guy you're crushing on?
What rubbish. I wasn't crushing over him.
वैसे we don't mind you stealing Indira का toy boy.
Oh, Samira. I can hear you sizzle.
Hi.
Hi.
Can I put this there?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you. Ah,
Shirt over a t-shirt. Not so good idea in this heat.
you serious? I thought it's damn cool and all, yeah?
Yeah, but surprisingly, you haven't broken a sweat.
I don't sweat that easily. It's my head that gets all hot. You know?
Okay, so you've got a sensitive head.
Is this some kind of personal joke happening?
Maybe.
Ignore her arrogance. Hi, I'm Raha, the photographer in charge of this project.
Shivir, hi. And she is?
I'm Samira, and that's Nupur.
Hey, hi. So, guys, have you all thought about the concept? I mean,
Yeah, we are thinking more on the lines of DIY.
like?
Do it yourself. Anyway, let me ask you, what's your role in all of this?
My role is to make sure these clothes are not damaged, torn, and they're used correctly, you know? Like if it's a scarf, it should not be worn as a tank top. You know what I mean?
Okay, so we can come up with anything as long as the clothes are handled properly and not damaged.
But कुछ तो concept होना चाहिए ना?
है ना concept? Focusing on one item of clothing, that is going to make or break the look.
Yeah, and we can also do something about etiquettes in fashion. You know, like कब slippers पहनना है और कब covered shoes.
Or we can do both, actually.
Yeah.
Huh?
Listen, we will look into our shoot ourselves. You can look into your clothing department. हम हमारा shoot का संभालें.
Please chill, he's just helping us.
Yeah, right. Why am I not surprised?
Raka, shut up.
Listen to me, guys. Let's do both. Okay? And Raka, relax. Okay, don't get so territorial and all. I also want to finish this sooner than you think. Okay? Who's the model? Like, have you all thought about it?
We don't have one.
Why don't we make Samira pose for a few pictures and एक आध Nupur भी कर सकती है and then we can compare both the pictures. That's a very good idea.
No. I'm not going to do that, okay?
क्या problem है? Why not?
अरे अप्पा ने अगर मेरे pictures देख लिए तो he's going to make huge issue out of it. No. I mean, reporter बनने गई थी और modeling कर रही है. वाह.
I don't mind.
You don't?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Who are you? Who are you?
How to follow the songs? That's not how we do that. I'll show you. Wait. Like this.
So you know how it's done. Yeah. Nice. And I'm supposed to be impressed, is it?
But aren't you?
Who are you?
Nice. It's all about you. Georgius. Come on, show the dimples. Yes. You need to get naughty. Sheet show.
She should get out of the frame.
Sheet show.
Fuck off, man.
अरे ठीक और में. Guys, it's done. Finally, man.
Okay then. I'm off.
Me too. To the loo.
You need any help?
No, thank you.
Yeah, you can manage. Otherwise, I can drop you. Where do you need to go?
No. Actually, the warehouse is pretty far off. So I'll manage. Don't worry. Thank you, though.
This is yours?
No, that's not mine. These are mine.
Whose is this?
I don't know. I think I'm done. Chalo, see you. Bye.
Listen, I just wanted to thank you. You know, you have nothing to do with our writing articles and stuff. Still, you are such a great.
You should come out with me someday. Dinner-ish, maybe. Okay, bye.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Okay. So, how did you know I would like that?
You know, I'm getting to know you a little bit better.
But feel me, like, I was just thinking out of all the things, why did you select that particular thing? And that message.
What about the messages that you have sent me? उसके आगे ये कुछ भी नहीं है.
Message तो फिर भी ठीक है. What's with that one piece? Huh? You could have given me something else, huh? Like jeans or something.
हाँ, jeans is fine. How would I know what your mother likes?
What?
I don't understand.
What are you saying?
Guys, the gift is from Arjun. And Indira, she's Shivir's mom.
I'll call you back.
Okay, I'll call you back. I'll call you back.
Oh, Kung Fu Queen? क्या आप अपने बिजी शेड्यूल में से टाइम निकाल के हमें एक्सप्लेन करना चाहेंगे?
जो इंटेल था मेरे पास, मैंने तुझे दे दी.
But how do you know all of this?
Let me be. तुम लोग शांति से वॉक करने नहीं देते हो. You guys are psycho man.
अबे यार, अब इतना भी फुटेज मत खा.
Wait. So, while you guys were busy finding looks for your shoot, that's when...
What a sly man. तुम लोगों को पता है उसने मुझे क्या मैसेज भेजा?
अरे इसमें स्लाई होने की क्या बात है यार? He's just being appreciative of you.
He's not being appreciative. Jennifer is. Sir, can we have a word, please?
Come in.
Sir, do you happen to know what EXO means?
Not really, no. I mean, I hear people use it. I've seen it on the internet. I can Google it for you.
Sir, EXO means hugs and kisses.
Okay.
And you happen to send me a note, XO Arjun.
It wasn't me. It was Jennifer. It was one of those online things you fill out and then they send you the actual card. Nothing to do with it.
Do you happen to know what the gift is exactly? It's a jacket for boys.
Well, Ms. Ghosh, I think you should definitely try it. No, Ms. Ghosh, thank you. I appreciate it. You brought it to my attention. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
One more thing, sir. How did my jacket happen to get mixed up with all the other stuff?
Well, Shivir came by this morning and I gave it to him to bring to the office and I said to him, I'll distribute it later.
So, Shivir is your friend?
No, he's Indra's son. I just play squash with him sometimes.
Wait a second. Look at this.
Whoa, Dressberry. It's my favorite brand. So, Abhi, I'm right. You have no idea how much happiness you bring to my life. Love, light, Arjun.
Shut up and stop mocking him. And ये भी जेनिफर ने दिया है?
Guys, seriously यार, मुझे भी तुम लोगों की तरह वहाँ पे होना चाहिए था. फिर मुझे भी ऐसे अच्छे गिफ्ट्स मिल जाते यार.
Very fun. Now tell me how I'm going to wear this.
अरे इसके ऊपर वो जैकेट डाल लेना.
और टांगों का क्या करूँ? उस पर भी जैकेट डाल दूँ?
Listen, मैं कोई fashion queen तो नहीं हूँ, लेकिन I can clearly understand what his intentions are after giving you this dress.
Forget that. What I'm saying is, अप्पा क्या बोलेंगे इसके बारे में कि मेरी बेटी की बॉस ने इतना छोटा सा ड्रेस उसको गिफ्ट किया?
तू अपने बाप को हर कॉन्वर्सेशन में इन्वॉल्व क्यों करती है? ये सब बातें थोड़ी ना कोई बताता है अपने बाप को. You really need to stop obsessing about that Arjun and get a life. There's so many long-term and dependable guys out there. It's that simple. Take your phone and log into Tinder via your Facebook account. And if you like, then swipe right. No likey, swipe left. और जिसको अपने बाप के पास लेके जाना है ना तुझे, you hit super like.
Why did he give me that gift?
God, this girl is hopeless.
अरे let her obsess ना. Tell me, can I borrow your jacket?
Yeah? Take everything of it.
Raka, are you coming?
No, yeah, I'm gonna take some time of writing.
तू चल ले.
तू जा, I'm coming.
Okay, bye. I'm going. Bye.
Bye, take care.
talk to you for a moment?
Listen, I'm running late for a meeting at the Royal Club. Can we do this later? Late night?
But so...
Walk with me. So tell me, how can I help you?
I can't accept your gift.
Okay, can I ask you why?
I don't think it's appropriate.
Okay, so what's inappropriate? Me giving you the gift or me giving you that gift?
You know what it is.
Of course I do. Myntra के ऐप पे जाके select किया, फिर delivery options, payment gateway, CVV, the works.
I thought यहाँ पर भी आप जेनिफर वाला excuse दोगे.
तुम्हारे साथ? My intentions are very clear.
Okay, thank you, but I don't think this is for me.
Okay, up to you. I'll see you.
Yo.
Ew! Gross! What the fuck is this?
Hello?
Princess? Couldn't you be more discreet?
What are you saying?
When you have to get off your pants only, why are you struggling so much to get into it?
I'm getting there. Don't stress me out. And don't make me sweat.
Oh, I forgot. Carry a knife in your bag. The knife is just going to be used to cut off your pants, right?
Careful, Raka. हो गया और कुछ
Listen, सारी दुनिया Facebook पे है. So you don't have to tell the world that you're going to.
The reason you know all this is तुमको मुझसे बहुत प्यार है, तुम्हारे पास और कुछ काम नहीं है. You're a psycho. Please, Raka. Now you know why carry that knife.
Malai का ज़माना ही नहीं रहा, really.
और कुछ काम नहीं है other than stalking me. जाओ जाके नूपुर के साथ गप्पे मारो.
I don't know where Nupur is, yeah.
हाँ? Then where is she?
Hi. Hey. I just came here to give this back.
Okay, just this?
Yeah.
Well, do you want to come out for a drink?
Nupur? He's your boss. Okay, sir. But how will I go back home?
I'll get you a drug. Come.
Hi.
You came on time.
I always come on time.
Is it? I didn't know that. Huh? See, I got this new keyboard. Let me play you a tune. Way to go, Romeo. तू अपना गिटार बजा भाई. कैसे छींकता है भाई, पागल है क्या? भाई ठीक है ना तू?
Yeah, I'm fine.
देख यार, रिकॉर्डिंग की टेंशन हो रही है तो प्लीज डोंट टेक टेंशन. इट्स ऑल चिल.
पता नहीं मुझे मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं लग रही है. I think मुझे ब्लड टेस्ट करवाना है.
इतना हाइपर मत हो डूड. नथिंग हैज हैपेंड. चल, कम विद मी. राका, जस्ट अ सेकंड. Sorry, Araka. Don't get put off by Jay's sense of humor.
No, I'm not put off by his behavior.
भाई, कहाँ जा रहा है तू?
I have some work.
यार अगर स्टूडियो से फोन आया
तो तू मुझे कॉल कर देना, मैं आ जाऊंगा यार.
But dude, you were not feeling too well, right?
I'm okay. मेरी कीज देखी तूने? मैंने यहीं कहीं रखी थी.
यार तू बेंड मत कर, बाथरूम में चेक कर. मैं चेक करता हूँ इधर. मिली?
हाँ, फाइनली गॉट द कीज. मैं मिलता हूँ, ठीक है? चलता हूँ, बाय.
चल.
ये तुम्हारा दोस्त कितना weird है.
नहीं यार, whenever he has a nosebleed, he seems a bit off.
Nosebleed?
क्या बात कर रही हो? तुमने देखा नहीं?
देखा तो था. Can I use the washroom?
Wow. Someone cleaned up in here.
Yeah. Since somebody's been in the washroom forever.
Seriously, dude, I'm impressed.
My mother doesn't like it, yeah. The house is messy, so.
And how old are you?
What has it got to do with my age?
No. I just wanted to make sure that, you know, it's all legal. कोई cradle snatching के case में jail में ना भेज दे.
No, I'm curious. That तुम्हें मेरी age की परवाह नहीं होती when you have to like, you know? I mean, I don't want mother to get upset on a thing like a messy house. So.
वैसे है कहाँ वो?
I don't know. Must be out.
Okay. So, what's the plan? निकले बाहर.
It's late, no?
And you have homework.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay. I'll see you then. Chalo, bye.
Bye.
Samira,
Hi, Indra.
any chance you know where Arjun is?
No, I'm sorry.
Sorry for what, Samira?
I don't know where Arjun is.
Ah, okay. In that case, you know where Nupur is?
At home, maybe?
Are you sure about that?
It's complicated.
Primary cast exclusively styled by Myntra.